5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our video discussion. My name is Teacher Ahel Yunawa.
And I am Teacher Krisha Marie Tututil. Today, we are going to discuss about adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word that changes or simplifies the word, the adjective, and the clauses. There are four kinds of adverb. The first is adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of degree, and the last is adverb of place.
The first one is the adverb of manner. It tells us about the manner or way in which something happened. It usually answers the questions, how? Just take a look at the example. And the third one is the adverb of time. It tells us something about the time that something's happened. It usually answers the questions, when? Here's an example.
The second is the adverb of place. Tell us the place where something happens. They answer the question, where? Example. The last is adverb of degree. It tells us the degree of extent to which something happens. They answer the question, how much or to what degree. Example.
Now, let's have a recap. Now that you've learned all about the adverb, please answer the following questions.